Good morning. This is gonna be the second week, and it's gonna be the first lesson and the first week for Spanish 1. Okay, this is gonna be for Spanish 1, and I wanted to remember you that I always use your book. Okay, try to use your book all the time when we talking about specific, some pages that definitely you have to looking for in that specific lesson. Okay, today we are going to talk about present progressive. Present progressive that is on page 134 and 135. Present progressive. What is present progressive? Present progressive in English is the verb be plus ing. Okay, the verb be plus ing. So the lesson today is going to be about present progressive in Spanish. How do we can do that in Spanish? Okay, specifically, we are going to talk about how we can do it in the R ending, the verb in the R ending, the E and I ending, the definite is going to be exactly the same. And then when we have two vowels together, how it's going to be. Let's go to start with the verb, with the ending AR. For example, if I use the verb cantar, okay, and you remember what is cantar? Cantar is to sing, okay, cantar is to sing. Remember that always we have to take out the AR. So we're going to add ando. So cantando, singing. Cantar is to sing, cantando is to singing. Okay? So cantando. So in cantar, because it's the R ending, we have to add the ando at the end. Exactly the same like hablar. Hablar is to talk, to speak. Okay? How do we can do the ing ending? Hablando. And how do we do the amar? That's another R ending. Amando. So like you see here, in the R ending, we add ando. We take out the AR, and then we add ando. And then it's going to convert like an ing in English way. Cantar, cantando. Hablar, hablando, amar, amando. So every R ending is gonna be, the ending is gonna be, the present progressive is gonna be ando. Any word, any verb that is with the R ending is gonna be the ending ando. What about the er and in ending? The er and in ending is gonna be exactly the same. For example, we have the word beber, and beber, that is to drink. So we take out the ER, and then we add yendo. So it's going to be bebiendo. So beber is to drink, bebiendo is drinking. Okay, beber is to drink, bebiendo is drinking. Okay, what about comer? Comer is to eat. We take out the ER, and then we add exactly the same. Yendo ending. Comiendo. Comer is to eat. Comiendo, eating. Comer is to eat. Comiendo, to eating. So, exactly the same way escribir, that's going to be the IR ending, escribir, escribiendo. Exactly the same ending, yendo. So, the er and ir ending is going to be exactly the same ending for the present progressive, yendo. Beber, bebiendo. Comer, comiendo. Escribir, escribiendo. Okay? And then we have the last one. It's going to be when we have two vowels together. Like this word, leer, to read. Okay? And to read, we have two vowels together. In every word that we have two vowels together, what are we going to do is we're going to put the ending yendo with a Y. So it's going to be like this. Leyendo. Yendo. Leyendo. So leer is to read. Leyendo is reading. Oír. Because it doesn't have to be the same vowel. Either when we have two vowels in that word, oír. Oír is to listen. Exactly the same. Oyendo. Oyendo. And another one is traer. To bring. To bring. Traer. Exactly the same. Trayendo. Why? Because in traer we have two vowels together. Another word, for example, is going to be caer. Caer is to fall down. Caer. Cayendo. So all the time that you see that we have two vowels, we're going to use it the way in the present progressive, yendo. So one more time, let me explain that to you. One more time, with the R ending, it's going to be ando. With the and ir ending, it's going to be yendo. And with two vowels together, it's going to be yendo. That's going to be in page 134 and 135. So try to practice more of this word, and definitely you're going to see how easy it's going to be to find the ing ending, the verb with the ing ending. At the last day of this week, that's going to be Thursday, because on Friday we're going to have class. On Thursday we're going to have a quiz. So definitely I wanted that you prepare, because it's not going to be not for this lesson, new lesson. It's going to be for the lesson of the last week. So try to practice and remember most of the things that are a class that we teach in the last week. The Bible verse for this week is going to be Psalms 23:1. Salmos 23:1. Jehová es mi pastor, nada me faltará. Jehová es mi pastor, nada me faltará. It's going to be for this week, this Bible verse. And I wanted that you practice. So the video is going to be there in the lesson 2. So if you have any question, text me or call me. And definitely I'm going to explain to you any doubt that you have about every lesson. See you tomorrow.